Yo, what up? I'm Coach RT3. This is Nata What, and we're the Upgrade Guys. So today we're going to talk about increasing internal force when it comes to doing your shoulder CARs. So shoulder CARs stands for controlled articular rotations. Just a way for you to explore the fullest range of motion that you have in your shoulder joint. So your joint is designed to rotate, but it's also designed to do a whole lot of other things: flexion, extension, abduction. Nat's going to go through a simple CAR here. From kneeling, he's going into external rotation, abduction, internal rotation, and now into extension. His palm ends up back behind, next to his pocket. He's going to go into extension, reverse that, flip it and reverse it. Anyway, so if you want to increase your internal environment, so there's going to be benefit to being able to contract more tissue and to be able to speak to that neurology with a little bit higher intensity. Now, the first thing we can do is we can bring a stability ball, and what the stability ball is going to do is it's not weighted. So first and foremost, we're not using a weighted tool. That's the first level of progression. We're going to have him learn to create more internal force by grabbing the ball, pulling it as close as he can to his body, sniffing air into his midsection, and now going through that CAR while keeping that tension on the ball throughout the entire movement. Now that's going to take the level up just a little bit more. You might find yourself sweating a little bit more. You might find yourself, the intensity level going up. Now, what we can do next is we can add a weighted ball, which now increases the demands. So now there's the weight to it, and he's got to squeeze the ball, right? So he's got to create a lot of force throughout his body. That's giving more information to his nervous system. His shoulder stuff now his brain and his shoulder stuff now have to be completely connected. All this other tissue is learning. Everything is learning together, and we're increasing the demands on the shoulder joint as we move through this. Now, this is the way to increase the internal force or the internal neurological drive, which is different than adding an external tool. Okay? We'll talk about external tools in our next video. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share this with some friends who might like to
not have shitty shoulders
and upgrade their shit.
Upgrade your shit.